Hello, Internet. My name is Peter Riley, and I'd like to discuss some of my inventions. Hmm. No, doesn't fit. Gotta do something else. Let's try this. Uh, that's a no-go. That's gonna pull right out. Let's try something else. There we go. Now we're all set. These chains are just like the chains used in a chain wrench like this. I got some old chain wrenches, took the chain off, made these jaws. They can be used to clamp odd-shaped things of pretty much any shape. They use the Kurt vise as the base. If the surface of the jaws are accurately made, whatever you're clamping is held perpendicular and securely in whatever axes you choose. I made these links to shorten the chain because only so much of the chain will fit, the excess chain will fit laying in the jaws. So I made these. These are a little bit too light duty. I think I'll make them in a different form. This is what happens when you clamp it down too much. Just not heavy enough, but a problem easily solved. When you're not using the chain feature of these jaws, you can just use them as ordinary jaws. You don't actually have to remove them. So this is an invention of mine, not patented or anything. You're welcome to use it. I found it useful on some of the jobs that I had to do. They can hold literally quite enormous pieces of work very securely. It's not going to fly out when held down with these jaws. You can position the chains as close or as far as need, depending on the piece of work. And the manufacturers of these jaws is quite obvious, so I won't really get into that. I hope you find this useful.